Hello everyone. If you are online, please write something in the chat box so I can understand that you are there. Archana Desai, very good afternoon. Are you getting my voice clearly? Welcome Mrunal Sherekar. We will wait for others for next 2 minutes, then I'll start with the session. Good afternoon, Princy Sharma, Aparna Pawar, very good afternoon. Is the screen visible properly? Okay, 11 viewers are online right now. I am expecting more than 50 people over there. Preeti Kumbare, very good afternoon. Ashwini Thite, good afternoon. Raut Madam, very good afternoon. First of all, I welcome you all to Jayawantrao Savan College of Education. I am so much thankful to the campus director of Hadapsar, JSPM, Dr. V.A. Bugde sir and Dr. Sanjay Sawant sir, and the principal of Jayawantrao Savan College of Education, Dr. Khushal Munde sir, for giving me this opportunity to interact with you all regarding particular topic. Okay, others are coming now online. Geeta Mehta, very good afternoon. Jaya Punjabi, good afternoon. Sapna Mishra, very good afternoon. Okay. Total 20 viewers are there right now. Okay, fine. Shall I start with the session? Dattatreya Bachao. Okay, very good afternoon, sir. Very good afternoon. Raji Mehta, very good afternoon. Vishal Chauhan, good afternoon. Prachi Kotecha, very good afternoon. Okay, so without wasting time, I am going to start with the session now. On the screen right now, you can see what is given there, B.Ed CET guidance, and this is for the upcoming B.Ed CET, and you are going to appear for this one. So I am going to discuss about the paper, question paper pattern, and certain aspects are there, and I am sure that it will be helpful for you all. Okay, others are joining us right now. Okay, fine. Deepanita Roy Chaudhary, very good afternoon. Okay, Radha Yadav, very good afternoon. Fine. Now, let us start with the session. B.Ed CET guidance. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. I am Dr. Sandeep Gaute. I am an assistant professor of English and I have total 15 years of teaching experience. And I would like to tell you that right now I am coming live on my own YouTube channel. There are near about 300 plus video sessions are uploaded and I am sure that they will be useful for you. So I request everyone to subscribe the channel and you can get quality material on my YouTube channel also, and you can be in touch or you can stay tuned with me with the help of my YouTube channel. and the name of my YouTube channel is Dr. Sandeep, that is English Guru for All, Dr. Sandeep Gaute. So without wasting time, I am going to start with B.Ed CET guidance. Now, on the screen there is a table. What is given, everyone, I request please go through this table so you can understand. Let me take the pen over here. Okay. Now, is the table visible to everyone? Please say something in the chat box so I can understand it. On the screen there is a table now, syllabus and marking scheme for B.Ed CET. This is the guidance for B.Ed CET, that is why you need to understand this table first. Okay. Now, yes, it is visible, and everybody please go through this one and try to understand what is given there. Then I am going to explain this one. Okay. Now, what is given in this table? 3 topics are given over here. We are talking about B.Ed CET. Now, what is the first topic over there? That is mental ability, and total 40 questions will be asked on this particular topic, and each question carries 1 mark. So maximum marks for this particular topic 40 marks. Which is the second topic? That is general knowledge, and there will be total 30 questions, and each question carries 1 mark, and maximum marks for this particular section 30. And what is the third one? That is a teacher aptitude. What is the next one? That is a teacher aptitude, and on this topic questions will be asked for 30 marks. I mean to say what, 30 questions, and already what is given over here, that each question carries 1 mark. It means 30 marks will be there. So here you can understand the weightage according to the section. So 3 sections are there. Now you can understand over here, mental ability, that particular topic carries, or you can say a maximum weightage, means there will be 40 questions. So first you have to focus on mental ability. Definitely both GK and teacher aptitude, both the topics are essential, both the sections are essential, but you need to analyze first of all what is the syllabus and marking scheme for this B.Ed CET. So right now we are talking about this particular part. This is what? Marking scheme. You need to understand this one. So total maximum marks 100, and how many questions will be there? 100 questions. Sir, sessions at what is given there? Sir, session time, okay. No, Rajesh Kute, this is for B.Ed CET. This is not our regular sessions. Okay, fine. Okay. Now, hope you understood this particular part. Through this table, with the help of this table, you need to understand that there are 3 sections in B.Ed CET question paper. First section is mental ability, second one is general knowledge, and third one is teacher aptitude. At the same time, you can understand that how many questions will be asked on particular. Hello? Okay, fine. Electricity was actually disconnected, that is why there is the problem. Okay, are you getting me now? Are you getting my voice? Please confirm this one in the chat box. Fine, so you understood this particular table, that is marking scheme. Now we are going to discuss each and every topic and how to prepare for that one, and what type of questions will be asked in the B.Ed CET. Now there are certain important aspects. What are the important aspects over here? You need to understand this part. Okay, fine. Okay, everything is okay. So everyone, I request everyone to concentrate on this particular session now. That is important aspects related to B.Ed CET. What is the first one? That is the test will comprise of multiple choice objective type questions with 4 options. So here you need to understand this test is what? MCQ type test is there. So 100 questions will be given, and how many options will be given there? Total 4 options will be given, and you need to just you have to find out the correct answer, and then you have to fill that oval over there on your, I think that is online, right? Okay, okay, that is online. So you need to just tick on one of the options. There is no negative marking system for this test. You need to understand this past for this particular part properly. What is given here? Second point. Everyone please see the second point. What is the second point here? There is no negative marking system for this test. So there is no need to take tension. You need to solve all the questions, and test duration is of 90 minutes. So from this screen you can understand, or from this slide you can understand that the examination will be of MCQ type. Second thing, there is no negative marking system. And what is the third one? Time duration is 90 minutes. It means what? 100 questions, and you have to solve 100 questions in 90 minutes. That is over there. So this is the basic. I told you, I discussed with you. Now I am going to start with the actual points of sections over there. What is the first section? Mental ability. So please go through all of these subtopics which are given under this particular section. Okay, fine. Now what is the meaning of mental ability? I'll discuss that one. First of all, you need to understand these are the sub points under this particular section. What is the first one? That is series. Okay, we are going to discuss all these points one by one. That is what is the first one? Series. What is the second one? That is syllogism. Then what is the third one? Code and decoding. What is next? A relationship. What is the next? Analogies. What is the next one? Classification. And what is the last one? Problems on dice. So these are the sub points which will be covered under this particular section. You need to understand. So you need to understand what type of questions can be asked on this particular series. Then what is that one? Syllogism. So the pronunciation of this particular word is a little bit different. Try to understand this word. I'll explain the meaning of this particular word also. That is this one, Syllogism. What is the next one? Code and decoding, relationships, analogies, classification, and problems on dice. And the last point is given there. What is the last point? Both. Let me change this particular color. Okay. What is this one? Both in verbal and non-verbal forms. It means there is a section, main section, that is mental ability, and there are certain subtopics which are there already. I told you all these topics, and questions will be in verbal as well as non-verbal format. Okay, fine. Rajesh, could I write? I'll convey the time. Don't worry about this. Okay, this is for B.Ed CET today only. This is the special session for the B.Ed CET. The students who are going to appear for the B.Ed CET. Fine. Now we are going to discuss the first section. What is that? Already I told you which are the subtopics over there. Now what is mental ability? What does it mean? You need to understand this first. So what is the mental ability? That is the power to learn or retain knowledge. So it is related to your mind, and what kind of ability? That is the power to learn or retain knowledge. This is the meaning of mental ability. So here you need to understand what type of questions will be asked on this particular topic. Please confirm whether you are getting whatever I am discussing with you or not. Please confirm that. I request all the viewers, please give your feedback in the chat box so I can understand it. Are you getting whatever I am discussing right now? Okay, fine, good. Now, what is given there? Mental ability, already I told you the meaning of this one, fine. Now, what is the first sub point? That is a series. What does it mean? What is given here? Series, this is the first subtopic, right? Now, what does it mean that is given over here? See this, series of numbers or alphabetical letters or combination of both. So, I am going to explain over here in short. So, at least you can understand that what type of questions will be asked on this particular subtopic under the section mental ability. So, I gave you the meaning of series over here. What is that one? Series of numbers or alphabetical letters or combination of both. So, there can be the combination of both, means numbers as well as alphabet. So, here, or you can say what, letters also. Now, what are the examples given over here? Now, see, what is the example? 26, 37, 50, 65 and what is given there? Dash. So, you need to find out, you need to identify which is the particular pattern, which particular pattern is used there, and you have to identify the correct answer from these four, A, B, C, D. I request everyone to answer this first question. What is the first question? This is the series. So, here you can understand what is the meaning of series of numbers. You can understand this one. Now, the question is given 26, 37, 50, 65. Now, please tell me what is the correct number from these four options. What is the option number 1? That is 101. Second option, B option is 82, C option is 78 and D option is 80. Okay. Fine. Somebody is saying B 82, 82, B 82. Okay. This is the simple example, so easily you can understand. Okay. Somebody told me the answer of second question also. We are talking about the first question right now. That is 26, 37, 50 and 65. Fine. Okay, 82, 82. Okay, what about others? Adding 11, 13. Okay, what is Deepnita Roy Chaudhary is saying that adding 11, 13 or odd numbers. Okay. Question number 1, 82. Okay, question number 2 is saying what? That is 7 to 9. Fine. Now, what is my aim of giving these two questions? So, you need to understand that first. What I want to tell you over here. So, first topic is series and you have to practice such a kind of what? You can say questions. So, that is the first one. So, what is the correct answer? What I did over here actually. What is the square of 5? What is the square of 5? That is 25 plus 1. This pattern is there. So, n square plus 1. N means any number, that particular formula can be used over there. Same after 5, what is there? 6. 6 square plus 1. What is then? 36 plus 1. So, this is the pattern. So, you need to understand what type of questions will be asked. So, what is the next one? Next one is 7. 7, what is the square of 7? That is 49 plus 1. That is 50. Then you can understand, first of all, you need to understand the pattern, and according to that, you need to understand what can be the next number. So, what is after 8? 8. What is the square of 8? That is 64 plus 1. And after 8, what is that? There should be 9 square plus 1. It means 81 plus 1 and the answer is 82. Okay, congratulations those who answered, that is 82. Very nice. And you need to understand the difficulty level of such kind of series also. You are going to appear for the B.Ed CET. This is for all type of, you can say, competitive examination. Okay, Dr. Dwyer sir, welcome and thank you. Now, what is the second question? That is 27, 125 and 343. Here you need to understand the pattern. That is, what is 27? That is the cube of 3, right? What about 125? That is the cube of 5. And what about this one? Next one is, that is the cube of 6. That is the cube of 6. So you can understand such kind of patterns and it will be easy for you to understand. So what is the cube of 6? That is 343. One second. That is of 7. So I give the gap over there. Fine, gap of 1 number. So what is there? This is after this one. This is not of 6. Okay, please check, clear it. Okay, that is of 7. 7, cube of 7. Now you need to leave one number. Okay, you need not to take cube of 8. You have to take the cube of what? That is of 9. So what is that? A, that is 729. Okay. How 82? Okay, what is the Pratibha Mishra is asking, sir, please explain how 82. Okay, please listen to me carefully again. What is given there? 26. You need to understand the pattern which is used in the series. So what I did over here, first I took the square of 5, that is 25, and then I added one number, that it becomes 26. What about 37? First you need to understand the pattern and then identify, or then you need to select the particular answer or particular number over there. So what is the square of 6? That is 36 plus 1. This is 37. What about this one? Again you need to understand this part. That is 7 sevens are, that is 49. 49 plus 1, it becomes 50. Then you need to understand this one. What is the square of 8? That is 64. 64 plus 1, 65. After this 9, you need to take the square of 9 and it becomes 81 plus 1, and correct answer is what? 82. Hope it is clear for you, right? It is clear for you, Pratibha Mishra. And you understood this one also, that is of second. So this is, so here I explain you what type of questions can be asked on series, this particular subtopic. So how to practice for this one, even I will tell you how to practice with the help of internet. You can practice for this one. Even I will give you some links over here. Now coding and decoding. Now you need to understand this part. I request everyone to understand this particular table. What is given there? What I did, it is very easy to understand. What I wrote over here, A, B, C, D. These are the letters till Z, and you need to give the numbering in sequence and again a reverse. What I did, 1, 2, here you need to understand this one. This one is in red color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then till 26. And what is this reverse one? One number you have to give to Z, and again you have to come like this, so you can understand. So with the help of this one, easily you can understand this pattern. Okay. And what is coding and decoding? What does it mean? It is a method of transmitting a message. So this is nothing but, so do not get confused over here. Code means what? Something is explained or something is given in particular code. In particular, you can say what, some kind of coding is used over there, and you have to decode. What is the meaning of decode? You need to understand, you need to interpret this one. Okay. Rajesh Kute, I'll message you personally, don't worry. Okay. That is a session. Session will be conducted, but I will convey on the group. Fine. Okay. So hope this table you understood. Code and decoding. You need to understand this one. What is the meaning of code? Certain symbols can be used, and this table is given. Most of the time such kind of coding can be done, and that is why you need to understand this type of numbering 1 to 26, and again a reverse is given over there. Now we will see some questions based on this one. Now one example is given over here. What is the example? That is, if health is written as like this, okay, then how decode be written in that code? Please give your answer in the chat box. I request all the viewers, please give your answer in the chat box. I'll wait for 30 seconds so you can answer in the chat box. What is the answer of this one? Yes, anyone? Option C. Okay. Option C. And somebody saying EDOCED. Okay, okay. Okay, EDO. Okay, one option is double O there. So you can give, if you feel that that can be the answer, you can give in that way also, no problem. Okay, fine. Let me explain this one, how this is actually coded. Now, what is the word given over here? Health. HEALTH. So, what is done over here? This E is taken first, EH. After that, what is given there? LA. This one is given there. And what is the last one? HT. So, this word is coded in the same word but in particular pattern. So, you need to put this particular word in the same pattern, that is a decode. So, you have to take what? E first, then ED, OC and again ED. So, this option is at two places, that is A and C. It means both are the answers. Fine. A is the, if you are giving A answer, that is also correct, and if you are giving C answer, that is also correct. No problem with this one. This is just the typing there, how to solve this one. Okay, that is why it is called mental ability, Vishal Chauhanji. That is why this is called what? Mental ability. You need to find out the pattern, and it is up to you how you are going to even find out different patterns. Actually, the table that I gave over here, that cannot be used over here. Here you need to understand this particular word and how you are going to able to find out this pattern. This is the skill of identifying the pattern. There are certain ways also, but I am trying to explain over here what type of you can say what questions can be asked on particular subtopic under mental ability. Okay, Siona Fernandez is saying that is A. Fine, fine. Okay, understood this one, coding and decoding. Actually, I am going to explain only the basic things over here. What are the different subtopics you need to prepare for your B.Ed CET. Okay, Shlok Gulanskar said, I don't understand. Okay, which one? This one, coding and decoding. Yes, it is very easy to understand. This health word is written in this particular pattern. Okay, okay, fine, fine. If you need a more study material, you can even contact me personally. My number is 9970022816. I am going to give you at the end of the session, and I'll convey. Yes sir, okay, understood the first example. Fine, okay, thank you. Now we are going to move to the next point, next one. What is there? That is relationships. This is the next what? Subtopic in under mental ability. What is given there? Relationship means what? Relations can be of different kind, like blood relations and contextual relations. These are just the examples. So here you need to understand this particular word. What is that? Relationships. And what is the example given over here? Pointing to a photograph of a boy, Suresh said. What is given the question? Pointing to a photograph of a boy, Suresh said, he is the son of the only son of my mother. How is Suresh related to that boy? Please tell me what is the correct answer. Okay. Pooja Ingare is saying what? Option D, that is father. Okay. What about others? Jaya Punjabi is saying D is the option. Okay. कळतंय का मॅडम? येतं का? ते तुम्हाला इथंच येतो आवाज समजा, तिथं दिसतंय क्लिअर एकदम. आता मी फोटोतून बाजूला बी झालो, मी म्यूट बी करून ठेवले, आवाजच जात नाही. ओके, somebody is saying hello. Okay, somebody is saying D is the correct option. Okay, fine. This is the live session, that is why you need to understand this is just like the you can say digital classroom. So easily one can understand this one relationship. So okay, and the correct answer is, what is the correct answer over here? Correct answer is, that is father. So here you need to understand this one. Correct answer is D. What is that? Father. Okay, very good. So such kind of questions can be asked. Fine. What is the next subtopic? That is analogies. What does it mean? Now you need to understand this one. What is that? Analogies. What is this? A comparison between two things that shows a way in which they are similar. So what is the meaning of analogies? Means you can say this is the plural form of the word analogy. It is nothing but a comparison between two things that shows a way in which they are similar. You need to understand this. Now what is given there? Particular example is given. Menu, food, catalog. Now you need to identify which is the correct answer from these four. Now tell me what is the correct answer. Very good. Who is that? Prachi Koteja. She said that B is the option. Okay. What about others? Pooja Ingaresh, she is saying C, that is newspaper. Fine. What about others? Okay, B. Okay, B is the answer. Others, please answer fast. So we need we can complete the session within time. Okay, everybody is saying B, B, B. Okay. Varsha Karankal, she is saying that is A is the option, that is of rack. Okay. Fine. Somebody is saying D is the option. Fine. Okay, now what is the pattern over here? That is what is given here, menu. In menu, what can you find? That is food. What about catalog? What is the meaning of catalog? Actually, that is nothing but a list of all the things that you can buy, see, etc. somewhere. So here catalog of, you have to say what? That is of books. So here you need to understand this kind of analogy. What is the meaning over here? That is given a comparison between two things. Here you need to compare these two first. If you understood this one, then you can answer the second part. And catalog is of the books, not of the rack, not of the newspaper, and not of the even library. So those who answered this one, books, they are absolutely correct. And here you need to, I am just giving you one or two examples. What is your work now? You need to practice it with the help of different websites. Internet is the best option, you can say what, to prepare for your B.Ed CET. What is the next one? Now we are going to see the next one, that is classification. What is this one? Classification. Okay, let me change this one. Classification. 1 minute. Let me make some changes over there. Actually this slide, this particular slide is it is just copied and paste. Okay, I'll take the question on this topic at last. First we will go with the next one. Okay, first we will discuss this, that is problems on dice. What is that one? Tricks and rules are given. Now I am going to click this particular link so you can understand how to do this part. This is a little bit tricky part. This is a little bit tricky part. Now what is this one? I am going to click directly. We are going to connect to this particular wait for a second. So actually this is particular website, and on this website you can find out different dice reasoning, that is concepts and tricks are given, and such questions you need to understand over there. First of all, you need to understand, is it visible to you? I will take my image outside. So it will be visible for you. Okay, fine. Now what is given there? This one, this particular. It is a cube. In cube there are 6 faces. Let us study some basic facts about cube using the given figure. Just like the 6 faces in the cube are just like this, you need to understand this part. Okay, I will share all these PPTs on your group, so easily you can understand this one. You can refer to this one again. Now you need to understand 4 faces are adjacent to one face. There are pairs of opposing faces, that is opposite of DEFH is ABCG and so on. And what is given there? Upper face of the cube, that is CDEG, and what is the next one? ABHF is the bottom face of the cube. In this particular you can say, okay sir, please can you share this presentation? I will share, don't worry, no problem. So you can understand. One second. Okay, so you can use this particular website to practice this particular topic, that is problems on dice. Okay, now so many questions are given there and explanations are given there also, and rules are given there. Deliberately I added this particular website over here because this topic is a little bit tricky. Now see this particular question. What is the question given over here? Read this question. I request everyone to read this question. What is the question? A dice with 6 faces is marked with 6 numbers. What is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 respectively. This dice is rolled 3 times and 3 positions are shown. Okay, what is the first position? This is the first position. What is the second? This one. What is the third? This one. Okay, and what is asked over there, you need to understand the next, you need to understand what is that. This dice is given. One second. One second. The question is not given over there actually. One more part should be there, that we can see that on here. So you just visit this particular website and you can understand different questions over here, and the explanation is given on this particular slide also. Actually I missed out only the last part over here, and that is of what? Question, which number is over there. Actually directly I wrote about what? The option is number C over here. I will share this one in my presentation. Let me take this side. Okay, now it is visible to you also. Just go through this one, and such kind of questions can be asked on this particular topic. So all these points are under mental ability. What is the next one? There is syllogism. It means what? A kind of logical argument that applies deductive reasoning to arrive at a conclusion based on two or more propositions that are asserted or assumed to be true. So here you need to make what? Logical argument is given and you have to find out the reasoning over there, and you have to find out what is the actual conclusion over there. Now again, we are going to visit this particular okay. You need to wait for 5 to 10 seconds. Fine. Deliberately I am showing this one to you so you can understand. You can use all these websites to practice for this particular topic. Now what is given over here? This is for syllogism online quiz is given over there. So read this particular question. It may not be visible to you. What is given? Two statements are given below followed by two conclusions numbered as 1 and 2 respectively. Consider the given statements as true even if they seem to be not. After reading all the conclusions, confirm that which of the given conclusions logically follows disregarding commonly known facts. So there are actually two topics which are a little bit critical under this mental ability. One is this, and what is the first one that already we discussed, that is related to problems on dice. Okay, so this is all about mental ability. One more is left, that is of classification. I'll explain that one at the end. Okay. Now we are going to start with the next point, main topic, that is GK, that is general knowledge. Now what will be asked? I have one question. Have you understood about mental ability? This is just the introductory part. Nisha M is asking, did Maha, that is B.Ed CET hall ticket came? Not yet. At least your concept of mental ability is clear. What is given there? What are the different topics? I'll provide you study material for that also. Okay, don't worry. Okay, fine. Now what is the second point? That is general knowledge, GK. This is very important. And how many questions will be asked? 30 questions will be asked on GK. Now what will be covered under this topic? Happenings in the surroundings at local, national, international level, including what type of that? Including past events and current affairs, including science and technology, history and geography, civics, political science, and what is that? Literature. So you need to consider all these points, and then you need to find out what are the important events related to this one. So what is there? These three words are very important: local, national, and international level. You have to, and this is for what? Through the reading or with the help of reading a newspaper, you can understand this one. There are different, yes sir, we need to study. Yes, I'll provide, don't worry. Fine. Now under GK, all these are the different points. Now I'll give you some questions so easily you can understand what type of questions will be asked. Now this is the first question. What is the question? What is that? Mount Kilimanjaro, the highest peak in Africa, located in which country? I request everyone to answer this question. This is the question based on the section GK, that is general knowledge. So with the help of these questions, such kind of questions, you can understand what type of you can say questions will be asked on GK. Please answer this question. Tanisha Verma is saying fourth is the option, that is Kenya. Okay. Somebody, Prachi Kotecha, she is saying that is Tanzania. Okay. Please answer fast. Rajesh Kote is saying that is 4, Kenya. Okay. Tanzania, okay. Tanzania, okay. Others, please answer. So at least you can check what type of questions can be asked. Say Tahir is saying 2, that is Ethiopia. Okay. Kuldeep type is saying what again, that is Ethiopia. And what is the correct answer? That is Tanzania. This is the correct answer. Tanzania is the correct answer. So this is the Mount Kilimanjaro, that is the highest peak in Africa. What is Africa? Africa is the continent, and over there this is the name of the country, that is Tanzania, and this particular this particular peak is in that particular country. Okay, second question is there. Congratulations those who answered Tanzania. What is the question number 2? It is based on GK. Please answer this one fast. Who is the Nobel Prize winner of Literature 2020? This is based on current affairs, general knowledge. And while giving the answer, please answer in this way. Means what? Question number 2, then dash, and which is your answer? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I can understand that you are giving the answer of question number 2. Prachi Kotecha, she is saying question number 2, Louis Gluck. Okay. Somebody is saying, Chaudhary, she is saying that 2 and 4. 2, okay, that is 2, that is 4, Jennifer Dodna. Okay. That is number 4, Jennifer. Okay. Let me check your answers. When I see in this direction, I am observing your chat on another screen. Question number 2, 2, 2, answer 2 somebody. So there is confusion now whether answer is 4 or 2. Fine. And what is the correct answer? Very good. Correct answer is number 2, that is Louis Gluck. So you need to understand this one, Louis Gluck. So what can be another? You can see, you can create the question on this one, that is Nobel laureates 2020. Recently it was declared. So you need to understand such kind of questions can be asked over there. Question number 2. So you need to check this one on internet. So you have to study this one with the help of internet. There are so many websites, even applications are there in Play Store where you can find out this particular topic related to GK, general knowledge. Louis Gluck, American author. Question number 3. UGC stands for. Please answer this one now. UGC stands for. Question number 3, and write your answer in this way. You have to give the answer in the chat box. Please answer this one. Question number 3. UGC stands for. 1 second. Request everyone to check the options again. I made a slide change there. Now, question number 3, somebody is saying, okay, please answer this one again. I changed this one now. I changed the option. It was repeated there actually. Okay, okay. I'll tell you the correct answer. Correct answer is what? That is University Grants Commission. What is the answer? University Grants Commission. So you need to understand. So this is the question based on GK. Actually both the answers were same, options were same. So some people answered number 2 also, that was also correct, but I made this slide change over there. So this is the wrong answer now, and the correct answer is number 4. Now actually I am trying to tell you over here, in this way the questions will be asked in the examination. Okay. Next question, question number 4 is there now. International Yoga Day is celebrated on. Please answer question number 4. Please answer question number 4. Okay. What about question number 4? Question number 4. 3, 4, 3. Fine. Very good. And what is the correct answer? That is option number 3, that is the 21st June. And this particular day is celebrated as International Yoga Day. Again, this is the part of what? GK. So you need to understand what can be asked under this particular topic. Now, question number 5 is on the screen. Please answer this one. What is coronavirus? What is coronavirus? Please answer question number 5, and I request everyone to answer the question in this way. Question number 5, then dash and then write your answer. Okay, and what is the correct answer of question number 5? Please answer this one. Somebody is saying both A and B are correct. Somebody is saying only A is correct. Okay. And what is the correct answer? The correct answer is number 3, both A and B are correct. So what is coronavirus? It is a large family of viruses. Second option is it belongs to the family of nidovirus. And what is the third one? Both A and B are correct. So such kind of questions can be asked also. And what is the correct option? That is number 3, both A and B are correct. This is the correct answer. So I discussed total 5 questions. Here I am trying to tell you what type of questions can be asked on this particular topic. And what is the topic? That is the general knowledge. Now we are going to talk about teacher aptitude. Now please tell me, have you understood regarding this one, that is the general knowledge? Have you understood the topic GK? What type of questions will be asked there? Now we are going to talk about teacher aptitude. What does it mean? First of all, you need to understand the meaning of this word, that is aptitude, a natural ability or skill. A natural ability or skill. So this is related to what? Knowledge. Leadership qualities: awareness about changes in education and society, communication and professional commitment. So here you need to have the knowledge. You need to have the knowledge of these 2 points, this one and this one. And what is aptitude? That is a natural ability or skill. Need some important questions from GK. Okay. I'll convey on your group. Fine, no problem. I'll suggest certain books for that also. Fine. So question number 1. A teacher who is not able to draw the attention of his students should what is 1 minute? Okay, what is the answer of this question? This question. Yes, 21st. This is the question based on teacher aptitude, ability as a teacher, because after B.Ed you are going to teach the students, so you need to develop certain skills, and with the help of these questions they can judge you whether you can be a good teacher or not. A teacher who is not able to draw the attention of his students should okay, everybody is saying 1. Evaluate his teaching method and improve it. Resign from the post. Find fault in his pupils and start dictating. Very good, very good. You can be teachers, no problem at all. So what is the correct answer? That is evaluate his teaching method and improve it. So you should be positive about the thing. So a teacher must be positive over here, and you need to understand this part. So what is the correct answer? Correct answer is that is evaluate his teaching method and improve it. Okay. Now question number 2. Congratulations. Almost all answered this one correctly. Number 2. Question number 2. If backbenchers are always talking in the classroom, a teacher should. What is the answer of question number 2? Please answer in this way. Question 2, and what is the correct answer? Please answer question number 2. Okay, everybody is saying 3 is the correct answer. Okay, that is the correct answer. What is given over here? Correct answer is let them do what they are doing. What is second? Punish them, ask them to sit on the front benches. And the correct answer of this question is answer question option number 3. Okay, it means what? A teacher cannot punish the students. Corporal punishment is not allowed. Even you cannot allow them whatever they want to do. This cannot be the answer, and even not the 4th one. And what is the correct answer? Option number 3. Question number 3 is on the screen now. Okay, okay. Pratibha Mishra, don't worry, I'll provide that one also. Okay, don't worry, no issues. An effective teaching means all of the following except. Please understand this question, question number 3, and answer it. An effective teaching means all of the following except. A teacher teaches with enthusiasm. A teacher finds fault in his students. A teacher puts emphasis more on teaching than on class control. A teacher is interested in making the subject matter understood rather than on completing the course. So you are saying that answer number 2 is there. Okay. Question number 3. 2, 2, 3. Think logically and give the answer. And what is the correct answer? That is very good. And what is the correct answer? Except. Here you need to understand what this particular word is very important. Question number 3. Yes, absolutely. Answer is number 2. Correct answer is number 2. Very good. This is the correct answer. So, this cannot be the part of effective teaching at all. So, first, third and fourth can be the part of effective teaching, but not this. Okay. Question number 4 is there now. Please answer this one. Classroom discipline can be maintained effectively by. Classroom teaching, what is that? Classroom discipline can be maintained effectively by. 4 options are given. Please answer this one. What is the answer of question number 4? Okay, somebody is saying 1, 2, okay, 2. Classroom discipline. So, all these questions are based on which topic? Teacher aptitude. Okay, which are the options given? Knowing the cause of indiscipline and handling it with stern hand. Providing a program which is according to the interest of the pupils by putting on fancy clothes in the classroom, scolding and punishing students. And the correct answer is, okay, now there is a little bit confusion. So, the correct answer is number 1. You need to find out the cause of indiscipline of the students as a teacher. So, while solving or while finding the answers of these questions, you need to consider yourself as a teacher and then you have to answer. And what is the correct answer? Number 1, knowing the cause of indiscipline and handling it with stern hand. Question number 5 is there. Please answer this one. Question number 5. Question number 5. Okay, some people are giving the answer of 4. Okay. Now question number 5, please answer. Madam, stern hand, okay, Tanisha Verma, right? But the stern hand, it means what? You can take certain actions only, but corporal punishment cannot be there. So there can be, you can say, some kind of warning or memo can be given in that way. Fine. Now question number 5, okay. TV is superior to radio as teaching aid because it is costly, invites two senses, hearing and vision simultaneously, leading to more accurate form of learning, and is generally liked by pupils, and all of the above. And what is the correct answer? It's raining now outside. Yes, yes. Fine. Question number 5, many people are saying 2 is the answer. Yes. What is the correct answer?